Graduate Hotel in Evanston, Illinois. Stop. 1940s Otis. So watch this. I'm gonna go up to 8.
Look around, look at the... Video.
I'm trying to take video.
Look, the trim,
I know.
old fashioned. Got a picture. Show the picture.
It's the painting of the river. The fixtures. This is added on. Alright, we're gonna go to.
Don't stop it. What is that?
These are revision controls. When it over levels or under levels, you need to revision the cars so it doesn't, so you don't trip over sign.
Look at the trim on top of there, the shelf.
Tray lighting. Hatch, fan. Obviously doesn't
Oh,
work.
show the fan. How can people see the fan?
I'm showing the fan.
Okay, are we done?
I'm gonna go up to 5.
I don't want to spend too much time. Because I don't want to bother people on the second floor ever again.
Why?
Because?
Yeah, you're kind of ruining my video.
Who?
You. But we're still getting good video.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Has a green window.
All right, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Interesting.
And that one's red.
Come on. Come on. This thing is smooth. Starting up.
See the arrows?
Are you kidding me? That was embarrassing. You want to check it out in the lobby?
Let's go all the way down. We're done.
People are, we have one.
Yeah.
People that complain there. Take them down there.
Ooh. This is the freight elevator at the Graduate Hotel in Evanston, Illinois.
It's locked.
No, it's not locked. Stop, don't touch that.
It's locked. It's locked out.
No, it's not.
Do you see it working?
It is working.
No, it's not working.
No.
Okay. Anything else? It's out of service.
It's not working. All right. This is the former freight elevator at the Homestead or the Graduate Hotel in Evanston. Push it all the way in.
Doesn't work? Wait. It doesn't.
Yeah, it's over level. Wait.
No.
Well, rest in peace this thing.
Car moving.
Oh, wait, this might work.
It would close the doors.
You have to manually close it?
I think. Let's try to fix this thing. Ready? You ready?
Don't. Don't.
This is automatic, but you can close it manually.
I don't think it's working. No, I don't want someone to be in a weird zone.
Wait,
No, don't touch that. Oh,
that's an interlock.
no, don't touch that.
Yeah.
You just snap in there.
Alright, let's close it. Well, we're not gonna mess with this thing, so that's it.